Hi, my name is Christine Labro. This is the assignment for the postural therapy class with the video showing exercise. So this is my friend Sam. She's going to be my guinea pig today. So Sam, I'm going to ask you, I'm going to show you, not showing you, but make you do the hip crossover stretch.
Okay.
Calm down. So I'm going to have you on the floor. Okay, with maybe move up a bit because of the rug here. Okay, that's good. You're going to bend, you're going to move your arms from up. Yeah, kick my dog. Okay. Okay, sorry, palm down. Okay, you're going to bend one knee and you're going to, so this is your right knee, you're going to move your left ankle over your right knee, okay, and you're going to twist your legs to have the right foot and the left foot and the right knee on the floor. All right, that's okay?
Yeah.
You're going to turn your head to the left. And you're going to stay like that for a minute. Okay, you're done for 1 minute. Move your legs back. Yeah, and we switch side. Yeah, and go to, yeah, your right foot on the floor. Try, this knee needs to be moved away from your body.
Okay.
A bit more if you can. You really need to feel it.
Yeah.
So you turn your head and remember to breathe with your belly. Inhale with a big belly and exhale. And you stay like that for a minute again. So you can come back. It's been an hour, a minute. Okay, you're going to put your shoes on. Okay, so the next exercise is a crocodile. So you're going to have your hands same position, 90 degrees, palm down, and you're going to move your feet up. Try to move this leg a little bit more inside. Yeah, you're going to put this heel over the top of your no, on your toes. Yeah. Okay. You are going to rotate the full lower part of your body, your legs, to the left, and you want to really make the top leg or both legs really tight. You tight your muscles,
Okay.
your quads. Extend your knee as much as possible. Okay. You okay?
Yeah.
And keep breathing, deep breath, and it's a minute again. Okay, so you're done for a minute. Just slowly come back, both legs, side by side, and we do the opposite, the other side. Make sure your ankle is a bit twisted. Can you turn your foot a bit this way? Yeah. Keep it really well aligned. And you turn to the right and turn your head to the left and hold for a minute. Done for the minute. All right. Okay. Move your arms. So the next exercise, it's standing. Okay, we are ready to do the windmill exercise. So Sam, you're going to your, oh my God, come on, yeah. Your feet, your heels against the wall. Besides that, fun stuff. Yeah, exactly. So shoulder width, your toes pointing straight. you're going to turn your palms out, and you make sure your hips and your shoulders, although your upper back is against the wall, you don't have to touch the head. And you're going to have your arms 90 degrees. This way. And now you're going to bend on your torso without moving the pelvis in one side and the other side 5 times. Keep your vision straight in front of you. Yeah. Away. Yeah, you can probably pause. Okay, perfect. Now you're going to move your feet a feet and a half. No. Just a little bit more than what you were doing. Yeah. Okay, and same exercise. Touching the wall with your hip and upper back. 5 times. Can you turn this hand a little bit? Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe not. Yeah. More like facing you was.
Super.
Yeah. You're done?
That was 10. Yeah.
Okay. So now you're going to move on each side of the register to have like 2.5 feet apart, and toes pointing straight, hips and upper back touching the wall, and same 5 times on each side. Yeah, keep contact with your shoulder on the wall. Yeah.
9.
Okay, you can go back. Okay. Now, good job. We're going to go back to the first position. So shoulder width, just, yeah. And same, make sure you contact, facing out.
Same again.
Yeah, same one. Keep your, don't turn your head, keep your eyes over the way. Perfect.
Super.
Good job. Okay. Okay, so the next exercise is the standing arm circles. You are going to have your feet pointing straight, shoulder width, tiny bit, yeah. And so you are going to bend your knuckles to have your finger tip touching the ball of your hand, and you're going to extend your thumb. This is called the golfer grip. Okay. You're going to keep that. You're going to extend your arms 90 degrees on your side, and you're going to make small. You're going to rotate your arms on a smaller circle. Yeah, 40 times. So, in this direction. Back on. 40. You turn your hand the other way, facing up, and the thumb gives you the direction. No, the thumb, facing up. Yeah, the thumb gives you the direction to move. Yeah, so you're moving that way, and 40 again. Okay, good job. Okay. Okay, Sam. Now you're going to do the static extension position. You're going to be on your hands and knees, so what we call the 4 position. And okay, you are going to move your hands 6 inches ahead, a bit forward, yeah. And now you're going to move your shoulders above your waist, okay. Now you are going to arch your lower back as much as you can handle it. You're going to collapse your shoulder blade and you're going to let your head down, drop down. And you're going to stay like that 2 minutes. Okay. Yeah. What I can see from here, you put more weight on your left knee. Can you? It's very gentle. Yes. Do you feel a difference? Does that bother you, or you okay?
It doesn't bother me.
Okay, that's good. All right, 2 more seconds. Okay, and we're done. Good job. Okay, Sam, the next exercise is the upper spinal floor twist. So I'm going to have you lay on the fetal position. You lay on your side. You want to have your weight on the shoulder, yeah. And bend your knee, move your knee like 90 degrees, yeah, perfect. Foot together, hands together, 90 degrees, okay. And you're going to open up your hands to the right, the back of your hand touching the floor if you can, on the right. And turning your head in that direction. So on the knees, the top knee might want to lift up. So you can use your left hand to keep it down towards your knee. Perfect. And you're like that for a minute. Perfect. The minute is gone. You are going to come back, bring your hands together, relax a few seconds, and change direction. All right, knee together, 90 degrees. Yeah, perfect. Hands together, and oops, you might want to move forward a little bit for the space. Yeah, all the weight on your shoulder. Yeah, and you open your arms, touch the ground if you can, and if your left knee wants to lift off, you hold it. Perfect. The minute has passed. You can bring your hands together. Just take a deep breath and relax. You're done for this exercise. Okay, Sam. Now we are going to do the assisted hip lift. So you're going to bring your bum close to the wall without touching it. You're going to have your knees 90 degrees and your feet against the wall. And your back on the floor. Alright. Check. Yeah, looks okay. You turn your palms up and you're going to bring one ankle above the opposite knee. And from here, you want the knee, your left knee, move towards the wall and you hold it in that position for a minute. Okay, good job. The minute is passed. You move your foot back up on the wall. You can lower back a bit, yeah. Now the other side. And move your knees towards the wall and hold it for a minute. The minute has passed. You move your, okay, and you're done for this exercise. Good job. The next exercise is a downward dog. Something you probably know because I know you go to the gym, but it will have a little twist. Okay, so you're on your hands and knees position. You're going to engage your toes to lift your your bum up and knees And from that position, you want to arch your lower back a little bit, and you want to have your heels touching the floor. And you will have less, the weight on your hands will be more your thumb and fingers. So you want to have more weight on your feet. And you keep that for position for 1 minute. Okay, you're good for your minute. Just relax. Okay, the next exercise is for your ankles. So I need you to lay down on the floor. It's a supine foot circle and point flex. So let's do it on your right leg. So you want your left leg with your toes up and pointed up, and you engage all your muscle to keep that right position. On the right leg, you're going to bend your knee. You're going to, with both hands, you're going to grab your leg under the knee and try to keep your shoulders, both shoulders on the ground. Okay. You want to make small circle with your foot, moving just the ankle. Okay. You're going to do 40 circles on each side, and yeah, we'll do the point and flex later. So okay, now you go same in the other direction. Nice circle, perfect. Perfect. Okay, so now you're going to point and flex like you are in a track. You want to really keep that right motion. Same, 40 times. Okay, good job. Let's do the other side. So you keep the right leg engaged with the toes up and do the circle. 40 again. 39.
9.
Okay.
40.
Okay, now you resting your sit down, you do the other side. Okay. Now you're going to do the point and flex. Again.
36.
Okay, perfect. Okay, Sam, for this is the last of the 10 exercise. We call it the air bench. So it's kind of having the sitting position again with your back against the wall. So you want to have your foot quite a little bit further. More, more. Okay, and your lower. Okay, you want to have your lower back completely against the wall.
Mm-hmm.
You don't necessarily have to do the shoulder. What I want is your lower back, and you can have your hands like that. And this is a 2-minute exercise. Okay, you're done your 2 minutes. Yeah, push from the wall. Perfect.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Great.
Okay, so that terminates the assignment for the 10 exercises.